O, play na!
Being a business manager in INS.
Being a business manager in the council, it is a very tough job. I thought it's just an easy that I heard, but it is not. For me, job is not just the duties or responsibilities to serve the nursing students, but it is my passion that comes from within that God gave it to me. So I will do it very precisely and competitively.
Okay, so how do you feel happy on your job?
Yes, because if I'm not happy, I will not continue this position until the present. But since I'm happy, although there are times that I'm sad and have failures, I usually resolve it slowly and surely.
Okay, so do you have encountered any failure in business management?
Yes, there are some, especially when those people who are envy with my position, they are trying to pull me down. But since I have lots of friends and I have built a good relationship with other students, nursing students, they are my strengths to pursue and to strive for the best, other than being such a loser.
So, you said your best to become successful, so that producer. So, what are the examples of your achievements regarding your job?
Being a business manager, my greatest achievement is having a company with, especially with the level 1 students, because they are fun to be with. Actually, there are many committee members who are level 1 in our social cultural committee, like on your section, Divine Grace, Cassie, etc. I think that's the greatest achievement I ever had, because through them we had a big project we call Spotlight, where the nursing students, especially the first year, showcase their talents.
So, being a business manager, do you aim to become a business manager?
First, there is a place what we call perseverance, or what we call step to ascendancy. Yes, I have some dreams to be position.
So, if you aim that position, what will you do in order to achieve that position?
First, someday I want to be the president of this Paristan University. Diba? In order to achieve this, I must work hard, smartly, and hard, with working smart and working hard. I will continue to study and have patience in my studies and my work.
Okay, so there's you have this achievement, you have this steps to achieve that position. So what do you think are the hindrances that will put you down on that position?
I think one of my hindrances here, like what I've said earlier, are my enemies, or people who are very envy with me, especially in my current status. And also, I think the outlook of people to me, because I'm small, they think that I can do nothing.
Small back. Okay, so who are your inspiration
My
in
inspiration.
performing this job?
Honestly speaking, my major inspiration is God, because I am not here without Him. And my second inspiration are the nursing students who believe in me, who trusted me, and who who have a good relationship with me. That's my second inspiration. Work, I'm very inspired with working with them.
Okay, so that's it in job for the question. So what can you suggest to those students who are planning or taking up nursing? Just like me.
To those who are taking up nursing, don't take nursing for granted. Because nursing, yes, some call it nursing, but in the near future, you will call it life. Because you will be the one who will encounter those who are in need patients, those who are suffering in crisis, and those patients are relying on you. So, don't take this for granted. Don't just say it, nursing lang, ganyan. But, no, it's nursing. It's my life. It's my passion and credibility.
Passion. So, what is your motto in life?
Okay. My motto in life is cheerfulness is a continuous sign of wisdom. So, be happy all the time.
Thank you.